Hello and welcome. Today I will be unpacking this Hoover Freedom Versatile Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner, model number fd22ra. The instruction book, the wall bracket that you can screw to the wall so you can hang it up, the adhesive tool that is bendable with a little dusting brush on the end of it, the extension tube, the main head, the dusting brush, and you can use it as a stair too, black nozzle. The straight adhesive tool, the charger, and the main vacuum cleaner. The charger point is on the back here. Just push the battery in as it's not in properly, and there is a little lever on the side so you can put it on permanently, so you don't have to keep your finger on the trigger. To put it together is quite simple. Just push the parts in, and then away you go. And there you are. Thank you for watching my video. If you've liked my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Goodbye.